Hi, I'm Mrs. Krakow. I'm really excited. I wish I was meeting all of you in person, but I just wanted to go over some important information that will help your child be successful in sixth grade English language arts. So, just a little information about me. I have a bachelor's in elementary education. I have a master's in curriculum and instruction with an emphasis in literacy. And then I also have a English as a second language endorsement. This is my 17th year teaching and my ninth year at Seville. And I have two children, my son Jackson, who's 8, and then my daughter Emma, who is 6. The curriculum for sixth grade English is the basically that this 1 year, 2 period course provides instruction in the English language arts strands identified by the Nevada Academic Content Standards as reading, writing, speaking and listening, and language. This course is designed as accelerated by the enhanced instructional pacing and depth of knowledge. This course is designed to build knowledge and critical thinking skills through close reading of text, writing to support claims, to clarify ideas, and or to develop ideas, and then a range of collaborative discussions. Instructional practices incorporate the integration of diversity awareness, including appreciation of all cultures and their important contributions to society. The appropriate use of technology and digital media are integral parts of this course. And then this course fulfills the sixth grade English requirement and the sixth grade reading requirement for promotion to the seventh grade. Some supports that we have for this course are Study Sync, which will be our main curriculum, Canvas, and then Achieve 3000. And then all of these programs are actually accessed by logging in through Clever. All assignments are posted weekly on Canvas. You also have access to the course expectations. My contact information is available through Canvas. Parents are encouraged to create an observer account. And then grades are not on Canvas, but they are available on Infinite Campus. The homework for students every week will be Achieve 3000. All they need to do for the entire week is to complete one article and activity. Um, they need to complete any unfinished classwork. So if they come to class and they don't finish their classwork, they will need to complete that for homework. And then I do ask that they read for 20 minutes every day. Some ways that you can support your child would be by checking grades and their attendance weekly. You can do that on campusportal.ccsd.net. Another way you could support your child would be by creating a Canvas Observer account. And then I do have this hyperlinked. This is posted on my website. And then the final way is that we do have academic assistance available. It will be starting the week of August 30th, and the schedule will be posted on the school website. This program is completely free to students. They do not have to attend every day. They do not have to attend every session. They can attend it on an as-needed basis. So if a student is struggling with an assignment or in a certain content area, they can attend just until they get the help they need. My contact information, you can obviously email me. You can give me a phone call at the school. My phone does not ring during school hours. So if you call me during school hours, I will see that I have a voicemail, but I will not be able to check it until after school. My web address is available on every email that I send. And then I also have sent parents invites to join our Remind class. If you have not gotten an email, please let me know and I will send you an invite. I sent it through the contact information that was available on Infinite Campus. And that's all the information I have for you. Once again, I look forward to meeting you in person and have a wonderful school year. Thank you.